Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Mazda CX-30. Based on the Mazda 3 platform, the CX-30 is essentially Mazda's new small crossover. Really nice vehicle. I'm a huge fan of it after driving it. Definitely love the looks of it. Take a look at the window sticker. Snowflake white pearl, grayish, I think that's how you pronounce it. Interior color, absolutely beautiful. 2.5 liter dual overhead cam, 4-cylinder, 6-speed automatic. Love this blue accent leather in here. Not bad rear seat room given the segment. Good amount of headroom. Very nice. Not sure how to turn that. Oh yeah, you turn it on up front. I forgot about that. Because that will turn it on. Really nice interior, just like the Mazda 3. Yeah, well, after stepping out of the Mazda 3, that was the car I just drove before this, I could definitely tell the interior is pretty much straight out of the 3, and that is not an insult whatsoever. We got an extender though. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take it on the road. See how it does over these big bumps. Not bad. Good visibility. (186 horsepower, 186 pound-feet of torque). Very good motor, plenty of power for what it needs. In terms of comfort, interior comfort, amenities, features are all really great. That's the one thing Mazda is doing really well nowadays is their interiors. No complaints at all. Driving feel unparalleled by any other small crossover. Really luxurious. Really nice. Actually, what is the price on this one? $28,900. That is awesome. You know, interior feel of this, I would think it'd be at least $40,000. Really nice. I will be honest, I have reviewed some cars that I'm like, okay, yeah, the interior for this price isn't worth this much, but this is not one of them. tons of power. Sitting at a traffic light, you can also engage auto hold, so you don't have to put your foot on the brake. It holds the brake for you. And the second you hit the gas, releases the brake. Do have manual shifting capabilities. It doesn't have paddle shifters behind the wheel, but you do have the shifter. You can move to the left and upshift. Sorry. Downshift, move the shifter up. Upshift, you move the shifter down. As stated in my Mazda 3 video, this makes sense due to G-forces. So if you're on a racetrack or whatever, when you're braking, you shift forward. So moving the shifter forward comes natural. Whereas when you're flooring it, you're pushed back. You just keep pushing the shifter back for the manual mode. Again, it feels natural. It's less work to move the shifter against. It does come natural, especially after driving them. What is going on? Especially after driving a manual all my life, or driving career I should say, it comes extremely natural. Okay, that was my second question. So there's a kick down feature to the throttle pedal. If you need to pass, you go full throttle and a little bit more, you'll feel a little click in the pedal. That drops it down to the lowest possible gear for passing. Even when you're in manual mode, even though it won't auto upshift, the second you engage kick down mode, it will downshift to the lowest gear just to help with passing. For example, I'm in 6th gear. I floor it, it's not gonna auto upshift at all. Or downshift, I should say. But when I engage kick down, this is full throttle kick down. Over the bumps, really nice. Nice and supple. I am definitely impressed with this car. Overall, CX-30 is a great vehicle. Ton of fun to drive, just like the Mazda 3 is, really luxurious, and very, very affordable. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.